restore the headlights on this BMW 6 Series. And basically what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna show y'all step by step on how to restore your headlights, get them back to factory condition, make them look new again. You get better visibility out of them, makes your car look better all the way around. So we're gonna do the headlights and we're gonna do the fog lights. So I'm gonna show you guys. They're not really yellowy, but they can look a lot better. It looks like they've recently tried to restore them in the past. But see, if you use a normal, regular clear coat on them, this is gonna tend to happen on them. It's just gonna eat. It's gonna peel. It's not gonna hold its lifespan. You're not gonna get very long out of doing it. And then also we are going to attempt to do the fog lights as well. We're gonna try to clear those up, make them look a little bit better. But we're gonna show you step by step on making your headlights new again, and it's all around, make them brighter, make them look better, make the car look sharp. This one here, it's got a little bit more haze on it, a little bit more residue. So we're gonna go ahead and take care of this light as well. Also that we're gonna need, okay? In my backpack here that I carried my stuff with, we have a spray bottle, some soapy water for your wet sanding. We are using the Meguiar's HeadLight coating. Now this is a UV protected coating. It's a UV protected clear coat, and it says it keeps them clear for 1 year. I've gotten better results. I've gotten better 2 to 3 years by using the Meguiar's HeadLight UV protected film. And I'm gonna leave a link in the description for it. That way, if you too want to get some, you know where to get it. We have some Turtle Super Hard Shell wax. This, I like to use the wax to get a little bit extra, you know, you don't have to compound it, you don't have to wax it, but it helps get the scratches out, all the surface scratches that you're going to put into it. Sorry about the noise. But it does help get surface scratches out by using the wax and the compound, which we're using the Meguiar's Ultimate Compound. I am going to leave a link in the description where you can buy it, and that way you can pick it up yourself. If not, I think they're like $8 at Walmart. You're gonna need some microfiber towels. I have a few of them for the cleaning process. Alcohol. The reason why I like to use alcohol is because whatever leftover wax is on the headlight, this cleans the headlight super good, super fine, and it gets rid of whatever leftover wax is on the headlight. This is an important. Masking tape. Now we're gonna move over to our sandpaper, 320 grit, 2000 grit, and 1000 grit. Now we're gonna go 320, 1000, 2000, but I'm gonna show you the way to sand them down to eliminate a lot of surface scratches. Sanding block. Set it up. And we're going to start sanding. Now, going 320, you want to go across. Going across is how you want to do it with your 320. Okay, it's a little cloudy. It's bothering the crap out of me. So now we're ready for stage 2. Okay, or step 2, stage 2. It's all the same. We are going to move for a 1000 grit. The 1000 grit is going to help minimize a lot of these scratches. See all these scratches here? The 1000 grit is going to help minimize those scratches. Wet sanding process of it. Now, going to your 1000 grit, you want to go in the up and down motion using your 1000 grit. This is not going to shine a light. It's not going to. It's going to get more and more and more cloudy. More as you sand, even going up in grit. Okay. So, after using our 1000 grit, you can see the scratches kind of thinned out a little bit. Now we're going to jump up to our 2000 grit. Excess water, alcohol, and that's it. That's the first step of it. You want to go through all your sanding. Step 1, masking. Step 2, 320 wet sand. Step 3, 1000 wet sand. Step 4 is a 2000 wet sand. Now we're going to move on to a different part of it of using our compound to eliminate some of the scratches. I'll give you a little close up here of the light now. See, we have more of an even spread. We're going to compound it, wax it, and then we're going to move on. You don't have to use this specific one, obviously. You can use whichever one you like. This is the one I was able to get my hands on at the Walmart for as cheap as possible, which was, I think, $7. HeadLight coating. It doesn't have to be this particular one. This is the one that I found, but you want to read the back and make sure that it says the UV protectant on there. That way it keeps protecting your headlight from the sun so it doesn't yellow again. If you can use a normal clear coat, but that's, you're not going to get as much life out of that. Plus it can start to peel, and that's not going to be good. This is the best option that I found. This is what I like to use. You might be different. You might want to use something else. You can also buff the crap out of it, and you will get a shine. But without the UV protectant, I give it a couple weeks, and it's going to be right back to yellow. And you're going to have to rebuff it. You're going to have to keep buffing it over and over and over again, twice a month. And that just gets, kind of gets in the way a little bit. So this is what I found. I'm going to leave a link in the description below. That way you know where to get it. I think it's like $8 a can. It's not bad, but I found I can get about 4 cars out of 1 can. Now, applying this is just like applying any other type of clear coat. You spray too heavy, it's going to run. You want to keep it as even as possible. That way you get the best look out of it, the best quality. Okay. So let's go ahead and get started. that is coat number 1. I use about 2 coats per light. Okay. Any more coats than that is kind of just unnecessary. You can see, you see this kind of little glare. Once it dries, it goes away. And especially once you put the second coat, because you apply the second coat a little heavier. Okay, so we're gonna be doing the fog light now. Coat number 1 of the fog light is complete. I'm gonna go ahead and pull off my masking tape. Whatever overspray we did get from this, rubbing alcohol and a towel. Just wipe it off before it dries, before it hardens. After about 2 to 3 minutes drying time, we're going to go ahead and start on the second coat. So this process got the headlight and fog light looking really, really well. I think the owners are going to be completely satisfied. So we went from this to this, or vice versa, the other way around. I think absolutely came out phenomenal. So I'm gonna leave a link in the description where you can get some of these products that I used. Doesn't have to be the exact products, but you can kind of get an idea. Very simple, very easy. It beats buying a new headlight. It beats beating the off spray. The Dayton there eats away the headlight. It's gonna cost you more by using off spray because you're gonna have a big mess on your hands. This is the most effective way that I tried. So I'm gonna leave a link in the description. Thank you guys for watching. Please like and subscribe to this video, and watch my previous one. I'm gonna leave a little tab there on the top. Don't know where, but you'll be able to watch it, check it out, see what you guys think, and we'll see you guys next time. Hope you guys enjoyed this video on the headlight restoration tutorial. I will leave in the description box links where you can find these products that I used in the video. And you can buy them at your local Walmart. You can buy them online, whatever suits best for you. Costs you about 20 bucks, and you can get your headlights restored, more visible, and get the yellow oxidation off of them. Be sure to check out my previous video on the table restoration. I will leave that also in the description, and hopefully a little box right there in the corner. And make sure to go follow us on Instagram. I'm gonna leave that in the description box as well.